am back with another video, and I'm so excited for this damn video because like I put my email down below so you guys can send me girl talk questions. And honestly, you know, I'm a brand new YouTuber, so I haven't really been seeing a lot of the girl talk questions, so I just stopped looking. And I went and checked the email that I have for my girl talk, and I have questions. So this is girl talk number 1. All right, y'all. So for anybody who is under 18 years old, there is some, you know, things that are a little bit R-rated with some of these questions, and there are some that are not R-rated. So yeah, I don't know how it goes. What? Parental advisement, whatever. So let's get started with the girl talk. How is y'all doing? And let's pull up the first question, because I'm gonna help y'all. I'm gonna give y'all my advice, because I feel like I'm a voice, not a voice, but I'm a good ear. I'm a very non-judgmental person. If you ever ask anybody who knows me, they'll tell you straight up, I don't judge anyone. People love to tell me their business because I don't judge. So I'm gonna start off mild. So this one says, I'm 18 and I'm thinking of moving out. What is some advice you have for me? Okay, so sis, you're 18. Pump the brakes. Pump your brakes. Woo! You moving fast. I mean, I don't know if you have there's not much to this, so I don't know if you're dealing with things at home and that's what's making you want to move out. If that is why you want to move out, then okay. If you're dealing with any type of abuse mentally or physically at your home and that's why you want to move out, my advice for you is save some money. Like save. Try to have at least 3 months of rent saved up since you're going to be moving. And I don't know if you're moving out with a boyfriend or if you're moving out by yourself, or if you're moving out with a boyfriend or not, save your coins. Because like I've said before in past videos, which I'll leave a link below here, I've been fucked over by a boyfriend in an apartment. So you don't want to be fucked up and you don't want to be left high and dry. So what I would say, really, if you are moving out and you're only 18 years old, if you don't have a lot of things going on with your house and you're just tired of living with your people, like moving out, once you move out, that's your bills. That's your rent. That is your electricity bill. That is your water bill. Like all 3 of these things are yours. And it is hard. Like when you get in there, you're going to be happy as hell, because I was so happy. But it is hard. Like you could struggle if you don't have your money right. So try to save as much as you can. Save up your taxes, save up whatever you need to make it happen. So that's my advice. I would say is save, and move out. So then let me just put a little check mark since I did this one. Okay, next question. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. I'm gonna pick this one. So it says, ooh, this is so funny to me. So my boyfriend wants to put it in my ass, parentheses, anal sex, but I'm scared. How do I get out of it? Woo! Honestly, when it comes to anal sex, I mean, he gonna keep asking you, sis. That's just what it is. How to get out of it, you could just, okay, this is what I say, boom, because I feel like I've been in that situation before. So I'm gonna take it straight up. The way you get out of it is basically just tell them like you're not ready for that, you don't feel like you're at that point where you want to do that. That's like straight up, like, I mean, there's no way to really get out of it. You just gotta kind of like make it seem like, you know, I don't know how long you and your boyfriend been dating. If y'all been dating for a little minute, then just tell him like you're not ready. Like he can't rape you. Like you're not ready. I will say though, when it comes to anal sex, I would say if you're try to have an open mind, if you guys are both pleasing each other, you can start off small with like a thumb in your butt while you guys are doing it, because that might not be that bad. Or maybe like little beads. It's whatever. yeah. Next question. What is the next question? Okay. What drives you to keep pushing and doing this YouTube stuff? I want to try. YouTube literally is like a second job. People underestimate doing YouTube. I underestimated doing YouTube. YouTube is like another 9-to-5 job. You have to be consistent. You have to plan out your videos. You have to edit your videos. You have to have a camera or an iPhone with good quality. You gotta have sound. Like, on top of that, your videos take hours to edit. The actual recording is never the hard part. It's the sitting down and editing. It's the making time, because you probably already have a job. So the what I would say to do it is, remember that you have to hold yourself accountable. You got to keep pushing. You got to try. And when I say you have to try, I mean, like, don't give up after the first 2 videos and you see like you don't have no views. I'm a small YouTuber and I'm still pushing and I'm still trying, because I feel like the way YouTube is, the big YouTubers are rich, are gonna, like, the ones who are like high up are gonna keep getting richer, and the ones at the bottom, it's harder for us now. So you have to keep pushing and trying. Eventually something's gonna pop, and that's on period. All right, so next question. Which one do I want to do next? Oh, I like this one. This one is pretty long though. Maybe it's more details than the other ones. Okay, so my baby daddy has been coming in and out of my fucking life, and every time I let his no good ass in, he tells me he is going to change, but doesn't. To get to the point, I threw his ass out a few months ago, and when he comes over to visit his son, he is always claiming he changed. I do miss the D and him, and she put like that little funny emoji song with the tongue, like so okay, so I do miss him, the D. I do miss the D and him. So should I just give him the D once in a while or keep it pushing? So first of all, if he has done you wrong time and time and again, 9 times out of 10, do not give him a try, because he showed you his true colors. Like, there's nothing around it. There's nothing else. This is who he is. He's going to continue to cheat and do you wrong. So why continue to let this man come into your life and fuck it up? You are a queen, sis, and as a queen, you need to elevate yourself. But I will tell you, do not give him a chance, but continue to get that D, because at the end of the day, that's the least he could supply. If you ain't got no man, if you don't have no man and you just want some D, you want to keep your body count low or whatever the case is, then get your D, period. Like, continue to get your D. As soon as you get it, kick his ass to the curb. Get out of my apartment now. See you on the next dick appointment. Bye. And let's see, this is fun, y'all. I'm enjoying these questions. Okay, so the next question is, oh, there's 3 more questions, you guys. Okay, so I'm a freshman and I like this boy and he likes me too, and we haven't, oh no, let me see. So I'm a freshman and I like this boy and he likes me too, and we have talked about having sex, but I haven't done it. What should I do? This is a very interesting question. You're a freshman in high school. You're still a baby. So, I mean, in this type of situation, I'm going to give you how I was in high school. So first of all, when I was a freshman, I was not looking to have sex with nobody. I was too scared. I had a Haitian mommy and she don't play that. Period. There was no having no sex at her house. There was no having no sex anywhere, and I was too scared. So what I would definitely say is, if you feel like you are grown enough and you are ready and you can't wait and you just like seem like you're ready, like you feel like you're ready, you hot, then just know there are consequences behind having sex if it goes wrong. So if you choose to have sex, just strap up, be safe, have protected sex with this boy. Do not just let him go in you raw. have protected sex. Have protected sex. Have protected sex. So if you choose to do it, then ma, go for it. But when I was a freshman, I was not thinking about that, and I did not do that. All right, next question. And I'm going too fast, yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm too excited for these questions. Okay, I'm dealing with a lot. How do you stay motivated with your day to day? Aw, well, I hope you start feeling better. But I suffer from anxiety, so I deal with a lot all the time. There's always something going on in my head. So I would say the things that I do, how I try to deal with my stress on a day-to-day is I honestly dive into either I work. If I don't work, I wake up early in the morning, I work out, because working out does help. I listen to music. I'm a big music junkie. If I don't listen to music, I talk to one of my besties. I love talking to them on the phone. They always have me laughing. Or I'll plan out like something that I have to do for YouTube or for my Instagram or for my business. Like whatever I have to do, I'll just like focus and just get into it. So with dealing with a lot of stuff, like really just kind of like keep yourself occupied. Don't think about your stress. Listen to music. Like find a hobby that's gonna make you not stress yourself out any more than you already are. That's my advice. And the last question. Okay, the last question, this one's kind of long. Before I start, and she put in caps, don't judge me. Since I ain't gonna judge you, I got you. I'm dating this guy and he is not that cute. And I went to a get together and met his friends. And his homeboy is fine as hell. Would I be wrong to try to get with the friend? Sis, you're not wrong. At the end of the day, if you feel like this man is cute, go for it. But I'm gonna tell you something right now. Don't expect it to be anything but a fuck. Reason I say that is because if you are already talking to his friend, and if that's his close friend, which you didn't really specify in the question, if that is his close friend, 9 times out of 10, he's going to be spiteful until his homeboy that he has smashed you and was talking to you. And he's probably going to be petty and be like, you for everybody, and whatever the case is. And if that is the case, and that is what he says, then his homeboy is not going to look at you. He's going to look at you just as a fuck. He's not going to look at you as a girlfriend material. So if you're okay with just hopping to the homeboy, you know, I'm calling a spade. They're going to think you're a homie hopper. And if you're going to hop to his homeboy, then just know that it's not going to be nothing more than just a one-time thing. But if you're okay with that, sis, go for it. I'm all for women doing whatever the fuck they want. At the end of the day, a man can do whatever he wants and nobody says anything. A woman should be able to do whatever she wants as well without being judged. But, ooh, my nail. You will be judged by them too. And that's on period. So that is it for the questions, you guys. If y'all got any, I like this girl talk. If y'all have any other questions for me, whether it's sexual, whether it's kid related, whether it's anything, ask me. I'm going to leave the email down here so you guys can go ahead and send me more questions. And if y'all like this, like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all have any advice for any of these women or little girls who have messaged me, go for it and leave the comments down below, because you could be helping a sister out. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.